Heads Vlogs. Hey, it's Heads Vlogs, and today, sorry about the darkness again. It's been raining, dark outside, so yeah. And, nope, not for you. Roll it again. One minute. 1 hour later. Guys, an extra thing. Thank you so much. So, Google Plus, thank you so much for 1,000 views, and I know we'll get to it on this channel. We're doing a quick challenge. You know Mio? Yeah. They've made one for Kool-Aid and Powerade. I'm not gonna put this in water. Don't care. I've done it before. It's just horrible, man. Okay, ready? I have to do 3 squirts. One squirt, called it. Oh! Yeah. Yeah. Cookie, yeah. Okay. That was just something quick. So guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this. There's actually nothing going on right now. There's nothing going on, but there's something going on. There's something going on with some websites. So I have these Hotel Transylvania tickets, right? So I go to the website, type in the codes, and then we can get $7.50 off, and then boom, code has been accepted. What theater are you going to? Boom, you choose that theater, and then after, guess what? It's really choose the day that you're going, and then it goes up to Thursday, October 1st. I'm like, it can't be the end of the movie then. Something's up. I don't know what's up. Maybe the website's down or something. So yeah, I just don't know. So yeah, guys, and oh yeah, my latest 3 movies. I mean 4. My latest 4 movies. Every time like I get 4 new movies, I'll do the latest. So my 4 newest movies are, well, number 4, Jurassic World, Jurassic Park, The Lost World, Jurassic World. Then it was Yogi Bear, and my latest movie is Hotel Transylvania. In order to get those tickets, I had to buy Hotel Transylvania. It came with it. Hotel Transylvania by itself without the tickets for $14, and then after I see the tickets, it's $10. So I'm like, woo! So guys, that's the end of this video. Hopefully all of you have enjoyed, and I hope that one be seen. All you guys, bye! Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and bye!